Hi everyone, welcome to this Apti Master. Okay, so what we will learn today? So basically, we will learn the speed math. Okay, so I think everyone aware of it, but today again we will discuss about it, right? So first of all, what we will learn first. So mainly as you all aware of it, so that's why I will just uh, update some key points. Okay, so just write down some key points, right? So first of all, maybe you are thinking this will be theoretical, but not totally theoretical. Okay, so first of all, when you will multiply any number by 5, what you will do? So you were just multiplying it by 5, right? But no. From now, what you will do for multiplication by 5, what you will do? That multiplied by 5 means 10 and divided by 2, right? So from now, for multiplication by 5, you should multiply the figure given by 10 and then divide it by 2, right? So just example, suppose 6493, and the question is you need to multiply 6493 by 5. Okay, so what you will do? You will do just 6493 multiplied by, sorry, yeah, so multiplied by 10 and then by 2. So what you will get, which is nothing but 64930 divided by 2, and it will become what? So 3 2 3 2 and then 4, then 6, then 5. Okay, so 3 2 4 6 5. So in this way you need to do from now, right? So whenever you will multiply any number by 5, you need to multiply it by 10 and then you will divide it by 2, right? Okay, so the first key point we have covered, right? Okay, so student, now point number 2. What is point number 2? For any number, when you will multiply it by 25, right? So you should multiply the figure given by 100 and then divide it by 4, right? So suppose, so this is nothing but the this is nothing but 100 divided by 4, right? So whenever suppose 6493 multiplied by 25, so it will be like 6493 multiplied by 100 and divided by 4. So it will be 64930 and divided by 4. Okay. So what you will get after that? Tell me. Yeah. So 64 by 4, what? 1, 6, right? Then 4 2s are 8, right? So 2, then 3, then what? Tell me. 2, then 5, yeah. So this is our second key point. First one done, second one done, right? So now you, so I will tell you now the point number 3. Okay. So whenever you will multiply any number by 11, okay, so multiplied by 11, right? So the rule is like for each digit, add the right hand digit and write the result as a corresponding figure in the product. Okay. So what key point I have told you? So for each digit, add add what? Add the add the right hand digit. Okay. Mhm. So for each digit, add the right hand digit. Okay, and write write what? Write the result hmm, as the corresponding figure in the product. Okay. So for each digit, add the right hand digit and write the result as the corresponding figure in the product. Okay. So clear? Okay. So we will use one example for that, right? Hmm. So example will be like 7, 4, 6, 9 multiplied by 11. Okay. So what I have told you. Hmm? So for the purpose of applying the rule, it will be easier if you assume that there is one zero on the either side of the given number. Okay. So what you will do, you will consider it in that way, that 0, then 7, 4, 6, 9, then 0. Sorry, 6, 9, then 0. Okay. Hmm? So now what you will do? So another one is in that way. So it will be like, if we'll add in that way 7, 4, 6, 9. So if we'll just add, okay, so what it will become? 9, 9, 6 are 15, and 4, 1, 5, 5, 6, 11, 7, 1, 8, 74 plus 8 is 82. So 82159 in that way. Okay. So this is the approach. Okay. So when you will see now I will tell you the another one. Okay. So like in that way, um, suppose 11 multiplied by 11. What you will do? Hmm? Tell me. Right in that way. Then just do add. 1 plus 1 is 2, 121. Whenever suppose uh, just yeah. So whenever suppose 22 multiplied by 11. So 2, 2, 4. Okay. So what are you doing here? When there is two digits, then what are you doing here? When you are multiplying it with two digits, then you are just writing the first and second digits as your first and last. Okay. And then again, what you are doing, you are just adding those, like 23 multiplied by 11. Okay. Just simply write 2, simply write 3. Then do the additions, not plus 1, just do additions. But you will get 5, 2, 5, 3. Okay. This is the multiplication. So now again, suppose 43 multiplied by 11. Okay. So 4, 3. Okay. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. Right? In that way. Hmm. And in the same approach, you can apply here as well. Right? So here as well, that 7, 4, 6, 9, and so first of all, what you are writing? Just the left part, the left and right part. Okay, so 7 and 9. Then for the 4, 6 in this middle part, when you will do, you need to add these things, right? So suppose in 43, suppose if I will do the steps here. Suppose here I am writing the steps here. So first of all, see 4, 3. Here I am considering 0. Here I am considering 0. Right? So now here again 4, again 3. Same approach. This 3, 4, 3, 7, then 4. Okay? This same approach. We are just doing. So when this is 2 digits, then it's easy to do. But when it's 3 or 4 digits, then you can just consider the 0 at first, 0 at last, and then add in that way. Okay. So this is the approach I'm just telling you. Okay. So here you can again now the fourth point. Fourth point is like that, like when you will do the multiplication by 12. Okay. So for multiplication by 12, the rule is like double each digit and add the right hand digit and write the result as the corresponding digit of the product. Hmm? Double each digit and add the right hand digit and write the result as the corresponding digit of the product. Okay. Are you getting? No? Hmm? Actually, these are like if you will consider this type of rules, then it's a rule. But if you will think it like in that way, suppose like if like whenever you will do the multiplication with 12, what you will do? First, you need to multiply it with 2 and then 1. Na? That's why I've told like double each digit and add the right hand digit and in the same. Okay. So yeah. Hmm. And in the same approach you can follow for when it is with the 13. So just you need to multiply the right with the 3 means thrice each digit and add it to the right hand digit and it gives the corresponding digit in the product. So these are basically not rules. So suppose consider 13 multiplied by 12, what you will do basically. So this is 26 and uh, that is 13, right? Hmm. So then you need to add. Okay. So this is 1/3, 1, 3. So 1, 5, 6. So in that way you can do, or otherwise like whatever I have told here. So in that way. So first of all, just consider in that way 0, 1, 3, then 0, and then multiply it by 2. Then so this is basically 26, and then so this is nothing but the general like normal approach. So it is according to you. That's you can multiply it by something. Okay. Okay. So mm, whenever you will multiply, like do the square when the unit digit is suppose 5. So for that approach, you all know maybe So suppose 15 into 15. Okay. So what you will do, you will just write 25 at the last. Hmm? And this is and the suppose first number is 15. So what is this place's number? 1. So multiply it with its next digit. So what is the next digit of 1? It's 2. So 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. In that way. Next, suppose 25 multiplied by 25. So what you will write? So suppose this is 5 5 I have told you 25, right? So now what is the next digit of 2, which is mm, suppose 5 5 25. Okay. So what is the next digit of 2? This 3. So 2 3 is 6. So 625. Okay. In the same way, suppose 35 multiplied by 35. So write this 25. What is the next digit of 3? 4. So multiply 3 with 4. 12. So write this 12. Okay. But whenever suppose you will multiply any number, suppose in with the 19. Suppose multiply it by 19. What you will basically do? It can be treated as multiplied by 20 minus 1. Right? So suppose 9, 2, 8, 5, 6 multiplied by 19. This is your question. So what you will do? You will do 9, 2, 8, 5, 6 multiplied by, just a minute, multiplied by 20 minus 1. Right? So now what you will do? So what is the double of this 92856? Huh? So it will be like this is 0, 2 6 12, carry forward 1, 2 5 10, then 11, 2 8 is 16, then 17, 2 2 is 4, then 5, 2 9 is 18. Okay. So this is it. Then subtract the 92856. Okay. So what you will get? What you will get? So you will get last. So this is 4. Then this is 6. Then 2. Then 4. Then 6. Then 7. Then 1. Yeah. So 1 7 6 4 2 6 4. In that way, you can simplify. Okay. So suppose you want to multiply two numbers and both of which are close to the same power of 10. Okay. So suppose we want to multiply the so this is 6, then um suppose this is 7. Suppose you want to multiply two digits number and which are both of which are close to the same power of 10. So I'm writing this. Suppose multiplying multiplying two numbers. Okay. And of uh both of both of which both of which are close to the same power of 10. So what you will do? Suppose multiplying the two numbers, both of which are close to the same power of 10. So what you will do? Suppose 97 multiplied by 92. So for this, we call 100 as the base, and we will write the two numbers with the difference from the base. Okay, including the sign, obviously. Yeah. So suppose this 97. So we will write it as minus 3. As 100 minus 97 is means 3 less, because 97 is obtained as 100 minus 3 in that way. Then 92. This is minus 8, means 100 minus 8. Okay. Then take the sum of the two numbers, including their signs, along either one of the two diagonals. So it will be the same in both cases. So in this example, the diagonal sum is what? Huh? 97 minus 8. Okay. Like 97 minus, when you will do 97 minus 8, let's see. When you will do the 97 minus 8, it's 89. And in the same way, when you will do 92 minus 3, which is also 89. Okay. So this will form the first part of the answer. Okay. And the second part of the answer is the product, means which you are taking along with the sign of the difference from the power of the 10 written for the two numbers. So this is the multiplication of minus 3 and minus 8. Okay. So this is the first part. And what will be the second part? Second part will be like the multiplication of those two. This minus 3 and this minus 8 multiply. So minus 3 and minus 8, which is nothing but 24, right? So what will be the answer? So answer will be like the first part and then write the second part. 8924. Are you getting? Hmm? Are you getting? If you have any doubt, any question, just comment down. Okay. So if you want any other example, okay, then just you can also comment down, and you can also practice some other questions. Okay. Suppose just do 94 multiplied by 96. Now second. Now write like do 93 multiplied by 96, and do question number 3, which is like 98 multiplied by 99. These three, just do the practice and answer in the comment section. Okay. So these are the questions. Comment in the comment section, right? And another one I will tell you, this is the 7 and then 8, which is our today's last approach. Suppose like here I have told you which are less than 100. Now I am going to tell you which are greater than 100. Okay. So you are multiplying greater than 100. Okay. So suppose suppose both the numbers are greater than 100 and the base is here 100. So the example is like suppose 113 and 118. Okay. So what is this? This is plus 13. This is plus 18. So do the same approach like what I have told earlier. So you can see this 113 plus 18, which is what? Which is nothing but 131, right? And in the same way, 118 plus 13, which is also 131, right? And what is the multiplication of this 13 and 18? Huh? 18 threes are 54. So rule 4 and 18 ones are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So 2, 3, 4. Right? So see, these are 3 digits number. Okay. So in that way, you have to write. So 1, 3, 1. And it is 2, 3, 4. So you need to add in that way. So 1, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is our answer. Okay. Clear? So the first part of the answer is the cross total of 113 and plus 18, which is 131, which I have told you. And the second part of the answer is the product of the deviations, like plus 13 and plus 18. It's the multiplication of those, which is 234. But we said there should be as many digits in this product as the number of the uh, zeros in the base. Okay. So which is 100 here. So since the base has 2 zeros, the second part of the answer should also have 2 digits. Okay. So since 234 has 3 digits, so we should retain 2 digits, 4 and 3, and carry forward the third digit 2 to the first part of the answer. Okay. Thus 131 plus 2 is 133. Okay. Clear? As 100 is our base and there are 2 zeros, so it should be of 2 digits. But as it is 3 digits, we are writing in that way. We are writing in that way. So it's become the common part. Okay. And we are just squeezing it in that way. And we are getting 133, 34. Right? So these are the 8 key points. Yeah, but before that, okay. But before that, you have to practice a lot for this. Okay. So that's why I'm giving you to another question. So practice 112 multiplied by 118. Then second, 111 multiplied by 113. Then 3, 123 multiplied by 111. Okay. And 134 34 multiplied by 145. Okay. Just write the approach and the answers in comment. Obviously. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions, any doubts, just comment down. Okay. I am uh, happy to help. Okay. So if you have any question related to this, just comment down and practice lot. Okay. So thanks for watching. Again, we will see or we'll meet in the next lecture. So that's all for from my side. Okay. And don't forget to do like, share, subscribe. Okay. Just do that.